as judges, we certainly appreciate the opportunity to get our views and our experience in front of you. As I indicated earlier, I think the best thing that speaks to my ability to do this job is the fact that a vast majority of the judges that you have elected over the past 25 years have put their confidence in me and have asked me repeatedly to fill in for them when they have been out of town. That's something that they don't take lightly, because when they come back from their vacation, just like any of you who go on vacation and you have someone else fit in for you, you don't want to deal with a lot of problems. You want to make sure things went smoothly, you want to make sure things went efficiently, and you want to make sure things were done right. And so far as my experience is concerned, again, you've got all of us making the same commitments to you, but you've only got one of us that has a track record of doing it. And I think that's vitally important to you and to this community. We need to make sure that our bench does remain the best in the county and in the state. I go all over the state in my practice, and I am repeatedly told that Cobb County has a wonderful bench. We do a great job here. I'd like to continue that for you. I would ask you not to waste the 25 years of experience that I've got, 120 hours and you all have paid for that experience. Now, mind you haven't paid much. We get paid about, for a half a day's work, we get paid about what we normally charge for a half an hour. So, with regards to that, I would ask for your support, and I would ask for your vote, Larry Burke, for State Court Judge. Thank you.
Thank you again for being here and for taking the time to listen to what we had to say, for asking some very thoughtful questions. I think your questions were able to kind of ferret out what our positions are on the things that we would be doing in state court. I would just ask you to keep those things in mind. Keep the experience that I've discussed with you today in mind. Yes, we all have qualifications. I can promise you the state board of elections would not have allowed us to have our names on the ballot if we did not have those. As a matter of fact, I'm sure somebody in the community would have challenged those qualifications if there was such a challenge. So know that we all have that qualification. But just keep in mind the things that we have said, the quality of those qualifications, the desire that you have heard here today. And elect Juliet Holmes for State Court Judge. I thank you again. I do again ask for your consideration and then spread the word to your friends, family, and neighbors. Thank you.
Thank you for coming this evening, and I hope I've had an opportunity to explain the position to you and you can understand it a little bit better. I want to protect our community, defend the Constitution, and fairly and effectively apply the law. Again, the best reference I can give you is Fraternal Order of Police. We had a forum with them similar to this forum. We all had an opportunity to explain to the police what our judicial philosophies are. They know that Mr. Clark is a defense attorney, Holmes is a defense attorney, and they know that Mr. Burke is a defense attorney and a part-time judge. There's a reason that they endorse me. I ask for your support, your vote, and your prayers. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for coming, Mike. Thank you for having us here tonight. I would just tell you that I think my experience, I have been in many courts throughout the state. I've seen a lot of judges work. I've seen how courts are run. I assure you that I would be able to run an efficient court. I would be able to make those decisions that are hard decisions when it's appropriate. I want you to know I'm endorsed by the district attorney campaign. So clearly, you must think I have the ability to perform this job. One question I was asking myself some time ago, and I didn't think too much about it at the time, but I think it's an important characteristic. There's a lady down there asking that I have a good sense of humor. And I do have a good sense of humor, and I think sometimes on the bench, that might be called for to lessen the anxiety a little bit. You know, when you go to court, everybody's nervous. Nobody knows what's going to happen. We're all anxious. And decisions that any of us would make is going to affect that defendant, their families, the July 31st, this is it, election, what, about time?